everyone, welcome back to the Sweet Star Candle YouTube channel, and today I wanted to share with you how Sweet Star Candles came to be. So back in the summer of 2022, I was transitioning from my first year of college to my second, and I was thinking about how I could start a small business before I graduated. I wanted to start a small business so hopefully I would be able to do that full time after graduation. During this time, I played a lot of Stardew Valley, and I was inspired by the food and the vibes of the game in general. I just thought the game was so cozy and cute, so I wanted to make a business that made others feel that same way. I was also learning about candle making from Black Tie Barn and Memory Box Candle Co. here on YouTube, and the ideas of a candle business started flooding in. The original designs from our products were very different in my head than what they are now, and I wanted to try to add embeds onto the side of the jar on the inside against the glass. So I bought some candle making supplies and started making my first candles. My first candles looked very bad. I would add too much fragrance oil, the wax would be crackly looking, and my idea for the candle look was seeming impossible. I felt discouraged, but I continued. I started to really learn the basics of wax, wicks, and jars and how they can work together if used correctly. I started to think of what fragrances I wanted the candles to be, and the ideas changed over time as I tried fragrance oil after fragrance oil. This was the longest part of the process and took about 9 months to find the perfect fragrance oils for each of the 5 candles. I eventually started thinking of how I could still use the cute embeds and incorporate them into the design that made sense with the fragrance oils. So I decided to buy some molds and add them to the top. They look great there with the base colors I had chosen, but the candles still look rough. Some were overwicked, underwicked, and some were just ugly looking, but I trudged on. After coming up with the base color and what embeds and scents I wanted, each candle design and the vibes of each candle became more clear. After lots of testing, I was finally able to finalize my wicks with the fragrance oil, the jar, and the design. And the characters for each became more obvious. So I started to design them, explaining to my boyfriend at the time, husband now, the ideas that I had in my head for each of the characters. He ended up drawing these designs, and we sent them to a great artist on Fiverr who was able to make them into reality. And after getting the designs back you see on all of my products, those were the designs I had in my head. I designed the labels and the business was ready to launch. A lot of time and effort later, Sweet Star Candles finally launched in May of 2023. The same month I graduated college with my associate's degree in business management and got engaged. This month was very hectic, but it would change the course of my life forever. I started to upload to YouTube September of that year. I posted on how to make a micro powder candle, and a lot of people seemed to enjoy it. I wanted to share all the cool ideas I had in my head with all of you, so hopefully you guys could perfect them, enjoy them, and be inspired by them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's a lot different from my normal tutorials, but I just wanted to give you guys a look into who I am and the realistic side of starting a craft business. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give the video a big thumbs up and let me know down below about your journey as well. I would love to read about it in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching and for all of the support lately. I will see you guys next Thursday.